The SLI conference, it does two things. Again, it kind of clears the road in terms of making sure that I'm on the path again. It helps focus me on the path, but it does two things. It makes you realize that servant leadership is bigger than Datron, and it's good to see other people from other companies and other walks of life who embrace it. So it puts a little realistic piece to it, that it's out there. It's not just Datron. Other people use this, and then also you meet people like Ken Blanchard. These are the people who are servant leadership well before servant leadership was a name. And when you see that sort of person, it's hard not to want to be like them. And so it's good to see servant leadership leaders at these sort of things, because it helps guide you. It helps you become a better servant leader.